You know your favorite foods in English, but when someone asks what you like, you freeze. This lesson is for beginner English learners who want to talk about food naturally. Today, you'll learn how to describe food you love and explain why you like it. Miss one phrase, and you'll keep giving boring one-word answers instead of having real conversations. So, Brian, what's your favorite food?
Oh, I love pizza.
Nice, but that's a short answer. Let's make it better. Say this: my favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
Perfect. Now tell me, why do you like it?
Because it's good?
Okay, but we can be more specific. Is it delicious, tasty, amazing?
It's delicious.
Great word. Practice. Say, pizza is delicious.
Pizza is delicious.
Excellent. Say it again.
Pizza is delicious.
Now put it together. My favorite food is pizza because it's delicious.
My favorite food is pizza because it's delicious.
Beautiful. Listeners, your turn. Say it with us. My favorite food is pizza because it's delicious.
So, what's your favorite food, Emily?
I love tacos. My favorite food is tacos because they're tasty and easy to make.
Oh, I like tacos too.
See? You can add more reasons. Listen, I love tacos because they're tasty, easy to make, and not expensive.
That's a longer answer.
Exactly. More details make better conversations. What else do you like, Brian?
I really like chocolate ice cream.
Really like. That's stronger than just like. Good. Why do you really like it?
Because it's sweet and cold.
Nice. 2 reasons. Practice. Say, I really like chocolate ice cream because it's sweet and cold.
I really like chocolate ice cream because it's sweet and cold.
Perfect. Say it again.
I really like chocolate ice cream because it's sweet and cold.
Listeners, now you try. Say the whole sentence.
Emily, can I ask a question?
Of course.
What if I don't like something? How do I say that?
Good question. You can say, I don't like, or I don't really like. For example, I don't really like spicy food.
Why not?
Because it's too hot for me. It hurts my mouth.
That makes sense. I don't like mushrooms.
Okay, tell me why.
I don't like mushrooms because the texture is weird.
Perfect answer. You gave a reason. The texture is weird. That's specific.
What other words can we use?
Lots. You can say food is fresh, healthy, filling, or cheap. Or maybe it's soft, crunchy, juicy.
Crunchy. I love crunchy food, like potato chips.
Me too. Practice. Say, I love potato chips because they're crunchy.
I love potato chips because they're crunchy.
Excellent. Say it again.
I love potato chips because they're crunchy.
Listeners, repeat with us. I love potato chips because they're crunchy.
Can we talk about drinks too?
Sure, same pattern. My favorite drink is coffee because it gives me energy.
I like that. My favorite drink is orange juice because it's refreshing.
Refreshing. Great word. It means it makes you feel fresh and awake.
Yeah, especially in the morning.
Exactly. So now you can describe food and drinks. Let's review. Start with your favorite, then say why. Use words like delicious, tasty, sweet, fresh, or crunchy.
And we can say I like, I love, or I really like.
Right. Or I don't like if you want to talk about food you hate.
This is useful. I always just said it's good before.
Now you have better words. Real conversations need details. Don't just say good, say why it's good.
Got it. So my favorite food is burgers because they're filling and tasty.
Perfect example. See how much better that sounds?
Yeah, way better than just I like burgers.
Listeners, think about your favorite food right now. Can you describe it in English?
Try making a full sentence.
Exactly. Use what we practiced today. My favorite food is blank because it's blank.
Or I really like blank because it's blank and blank.
You've got it. Now you can talk about food naturally in English. So here's my question for you. What's your favorite food and why do you like it? Write your answer in the comments. We love reading them. And if this lesson helped you, subscribe for more easy English practice. We post new conversations every week.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you in the next lesson.